Welcome back to Primetime Sports Thursday. The West Indies ended their ICC World Cup on a winning note as they got the better of Afghanistan by 23 runs at Headingley for only their second win of the tournament.
The West Indies chose to bat first. Not that it worked though for Jamaican opener Chris Gayle, who was playing his final 50-over World Cup game. He went for 7 with just 21 on the board. Evan Lewis and Shea Hope then put on an 88-run second wicket stand, with Saul Lewis hitting 6 fours and 2 sixes on his way to his half-century. However, he didn't last long after, as he fell to the combination of Mohamed Nabi and Rashid Khan for 58. His dismissal made way for the potential kid Shimron Hetmyer, who then formed another formidable partnership with Hope, who would also bring up his half-century. But Hetmyer wouldn't join the half-century club, as he left for 39 with a score on 174 for 3. Hope went soon after in his failed attempt to clear the boundary. He made 77. But hope was not lost for the Windies, as skipper Jason Holder and Nicholas Puran took to the Afghan bowlers like duck in water, posting 105 for the 5th wicket. They would, however, depart a ball apart in the final over. Puran was the first to go, as for the first time, communication between himself and the skipper broke down. He went for 58. Holder went the following ball as he fell 5 runs short of a half-century. The Windies closed on 311 for 6. They then got Galbadan Naib early in the Afghan chase as he went for 5 and Kemar Roach his first of 3 wickets. The West Indies were made to toil thereafter as Ramad Shaw and Ikram Akil posted a second wicket stand of 134 runs. Former skipper Asghar Afghan tried a rescuing act, but he went for 40, and that was the last of the Mohicans as the Afghanistans were bowled out for 288. Roach ended with 3 for 37 and Brathwaite 4 for 63 as the West Indies finished the tournament on 5 points. Afghanistan without a point.
Consistency let us down, we were just inconsistent in all 3 departments. I think our fielding has a lot to improve. I think the bowlers had a really good outing. Credit to each and every bowler who put up their hand whenever called upon. But in terms of the batting, it's very, very inconsistent as well. And it's just going forward, we just need to be a lot more consistent.